Do you think winter camping is impossible without freezing, shivering nights, and endless struggles in the snow? Think again. Today, we're diving into 30 unbelievable winter camping survival gadgets that will completely change how you face the cold. From smart gear that keeps you warm, to tools that help you survive snow and ice, these gadgets are must-haves for your next adventure. Let's get started. Number 30. Heating Performance Jacket. Finding the right jacket for changing weather can be tricky. Heavy layers limit movement, while lighter ones lack warmth. This advanced heating jacket uses graphene technology to deliver efficient warmth without extra weight. Its reversible 2-in-1 design adds versatility, and the ballistic nylon shell provides durability, water resistance, and wind protection. With 7 waterproof pockets, hidden compartments, built-in gloves, and adjustable heat settings, it's ideal for any outdoor adventure. Number 29. Lanestar X4 Backpack. Imagine hiking through blazing heat or freezing cold with a heavy backpack digging into your shoulders. Every step feels harder, and staying focused becomes a struggle. Now, picture a backpack that adjusts to you instead. With AI-powered cooling and heating, it keeps you comfortable no matter the season. Its long-lasting battery, spacious storage, ergonomic design, and built-in phone charger turn every trip, whether an outdoor adventure or a daily commute, into an easier, smarter journey. Number 28. Hand Warmer Bag. Out in the cold, your hands quickly grow stiff, making it hard to enjoy the moment. Imagine reaching for the heating hand warmer bag that delivers instant warmth in just seconds, keeping you comfortable for up to 14 hours. Worn at the waist, across the chest, or as a sling, it moves with you on every adventure. With rugged waterproof material, smart storage, and a phone charging pocket, it becomes your trusted winter companion. Number 27. Inferno Hammock. Cold weather camping doesn't have to mean leaving your hammock behind. With the right gear, it becomes a warm and cozy adventure. This advanced hammock system wraps you in comfort with a thermal top quilt and a full-length underquilt that contours to your back, sealing in heat and eliminating cold spots. Lightweight, durable, and quick to set up, it turns frosty nights into a snug and enjoyable outdoor escape. Number 26. Winter Beanie Hat. Braving cold weather calls for gear that keeps you warm and protected from harsh winds. This knitted balaclava beanie combines comfort and function with a dual-layer design, a tough acrylic exterior, and a soft fleece lining that deliver warmth and wind resistance. Lightweight, stretchy, and breathable, it covers the ears, neck, and cheeks fully. Perfect for skiing, hiking, cycling, or fishing, it's a versatile and stylish winter essential. Number 25. Heated Base Layer. Harsh winter weather makes staying warm difficult without bulky layers that trap sweat. This heated base layer changes that for winter athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. It uses smart temperature control with targeted heating for hands, feet, thighs, and sides, plus breathable panels to prevent overheating. Made with conductive fibers, it provides seamless warmth without wires. Lightweight, machine washable, app-controlled, and USB rechargeable for up to 8 hours, even charging your phone on the go. Number 24. Winter Snow Boots. Cold weather requires boots that keep your feet warm, dry, and steady on slippery surfaces. These waterproof winter boots provide exceptional warmth with 200 grams of insulated insulation, protecting in temperatures as low as -25 degrees Fahrenheit. The seam-sealed waterproof design, windproof toe cap, and non-slip rubber sole ensure grip and durability, making them perfect for skiing, ice fishing, winter camping, or outdoor gatherings while keeping feet comfortable and protected. Number 23. Outdoor Patio Heater. Enjoying outdoor spaces in chilly weather is easy with this powerful patio heater. Delivering 48,000 BTUs, it creates a warm, cozy atmosphere for home or commercial use. The double-layer stainless steel burner ensures durability and efficiency, while the round-table design adds convenience. With a stable base, safety features, and wheels for easy movement, it's simple to use and perfect for patios, decks, or gardens, keeping everyone comfortable in colder weather. Number 22. fingers warmer. Cold hands can make outdoor activities uncomfortable, but these heated gloves make staying warm easy. With a 2,700 mAh battery, they provide up to 7 hours of continuous heat and allow real-time temperature control with an LED display. Carbon fiber heating sheets warm quickly, while a windproof, waterproof outer layer and insulated lining retain heat. Touchscreen compatible with adjustable cuffs and a protective shell. They're perfect for work, sports, or outdoor adventures. Number 21. Hand warmers. Cold hands can make outdoor activities uncomfortable, but these heated gloves make staying warm easy. With a 2,700 mAh battery, they provide up to 7 hours of continuous heat and allow real-time temperature control with an LED display. Carbon fiber heating sheets warm quickly, while a windproof, waterproof outer layer and insulated lining retain heat. Touchscreen compatible with adjustable cuffs and a protective shell, they're perfect for work, sports, or outdoor adventures. Number 20. OneTigris Hot Tent. The wind howls outside, snow piling up around your campsite, but inside, you're warm and safe. This 4-season hot tent becomes your refuge. With a stove jack for cozy heat and a windproof snow skirt that keeps warmth in. Double doors and top vents let fresh air circulate when needed. Made from durable, waterproof materials and supported by a lightweight aluminum frame, it offers comfort and reliability no matter the weather. Number 19. Self-heating lunchbox. Imagine heading out for a busy day and craving a hot, fresh meal, but no microwave is around. You open your self-heating lunchbox, and in minutes, your food warms to over 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply load, latch, and go, whether your meal is fresh or frozen. With its battery-powered design, it makes enjoying hot lunches effortless, saving time and money, no matter where your day takes you. Number 18. Pomoly Dweller Wood Stove. Staying warm while camping in cold weather calls for a reliable heating solution. This wood stove provides efficient heat for hot tents and winter adventures. Made from durable stainless steel, it features a large glass window to view the fire and air curtain technology for better combustion. With adjustable air intake, a secondary baffle, and an easy-to-clean ash box, it delivers long, slow burns, warmth, and the cozy sound of crackling wood. Number 17. Garmin 66 ST. Never get lost on your outdoor adventures with this handheld GPS device. Supporting multiple satellites and ABC sensors, it guides you accurately, while preloaded topo maps show peaks, valleys, and trails. You can download high-resolution maps, mark waypoints, find parking, and track locations. Paired with a smartphone, it provides live weather and forecasts. With up to 16 hours of GPS battery life, it's perfect for hunting, hiking, or exploring in any conditions. Number 16. Baffin Impact Boots. When facing blizzards, deep snow, and freezing temperatures, these snow boots are built to keep your feet warm and dry. Their multi-layer insulation provides maximum heat, while waterproof construction keeps moisture out. A high-performance rubber sole ensures balance on slippery surfaces, and an adjustable snow collar prevents snow from entering the top. With secure double buckle fastenings, these boots are a reliable companion for extreme cold and harsh winter conditions. Number 15. Jetboil Cooking Stove. Enjoy winter mornings in nature while cooking delicious meals with this compact camping stove. Its 1.8-liter insulated cooking cup and regulator allow precise heat control, from simmering to boiling. A flux ring enhances heat transfer, and the push-button igniter starts instantly, using 100-gram fuel canisters and weighing just 200 grams. It's lightweight for easy carrying. Boil, cook, or brew a hot drink, making outdoor cooking simple and convenient. Number 14. Xeno Nest. This 2-story tent is built for campers wanting more than basic shelter. The first floor works as a lounge or gear space, while the second floor serves as a private bedroom. Its modular panels zip on or off for open or enclosed setups, with exposed air beams for easy cleaning. Durable against strong winds, it fits around 6 people, weighs 55 pounds, and costs between $1,130 and $2,600 depending on the setup. Number 13. Ikamper Disco. Built for tough outdoor use, this camp cooker takes meals beyond basic camping food. Inspired by traditional disc cookers from the Southwest, it features a 16-inch cast iron skillet, great for steaks, chilies, or tacos. Powered by an 8,455 BTU burner with foldable feet, it works on a tripod or camp table. The height adjusts for community cooking, and the skillet can also hang over a campfire, making it a versatile dual-fuel setup. Number 12. LOVORK Camping Lantern. Out in the woods, no one wants to haul extra gear, yet everyone wants comfort and light. That's where this clever modular lantern comes in. Picture one small cylinder with a strong magnet and a 5,000 mAh battery at its core. Snap on what you need. Flashlights for dark trails, a fan for hot nights, a speaker for music, or even a mosquito repeller for buggy evenings. One device, many uses, making camping easier and lighter. Number 11. Crua Culla Warm Tents. Imagine having your own private pod that sets up in just 30 seconds. It blocks light, reduces noise, and keeps you cool in summer and warm in winter thanks to special insulation. Perfect for camping or even at home. It's spacious yet cozy, water-resistant, and fits up to 3 people. With great ventilation and quick setup, it's ideal for naps, work, or quiet time, wherever you need it. Number 10. Outdoor Camping Blanket. Out at camp on a chilly evening, you throw on a blanket that clips around your shoulders like a poncho. It doesn't slip, even when you're carrying firewood or roasting marshmallows by the fire. The fabric feels soft but tough, keeping out dampness and blocking snags. Light enough to pack anywhere, yet warm enough for cold nights down to 40 degrees. It's the kind of blanket that keeps adventures cozy without weighing you down. Number 9. Half Ski Mask. Gear up for winter with a face mask built to handle the cold. Made with thermal fleece lining and furnace fleece fabric, it keeps you warm, even in freezing winds, down to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Its versatile design lets you wear it as a half mask or neck gaiter. Perfect for skiing, biking, riding, or shoveling snow. Breathable panels keep moisture away, while the 4-way stretch and ear slots ensure comfort, warmth, and a snug fit for any adventure. Number 8. PETZL ACTIK Core Headlamp. This headlamp makes nighttime adventures simple and reliable. It works with either a rechargeable battery or AAA batteries, installed by rotating the lamp and opening the compartment. A single button lets you switch between 3 brightness levels, white or red light, or lock it to prevent accidents. The energy gauge shows remaining power, while its tilt body, adjustable strap, and lantern option make it a flexible light for outdoor use. Number 7. Campy Gear Chubby 2. Get ready to upgrade your camping trips with a powerful 2-in-1 heater and stove built for the outdoors. Its high-efficiency burner delivers up to 9,000 BTU, letting you boil water or cook meals fast. Compact and space-saving with a detachable handle, it works with butane or propane canisters for fuel flexibility. A non-slip base keeps it stable on uneven ground, making it a safe, reliable choice for camping, hiking, or backpacking adventures. Number 6. Hylaea Merino Wool Ski Socks. Stay warm and comfortable in the cold with these merino wool ski socks, built with Thermalite technology for breathability and moisture control. They wick away sweat, resist odors, and stay fresh during long wear. Thick cushioning in the heel, toe, and shin reduces friction and absorbs shocks, while arch support keeps them secure. Perfect for skiing, snowboarding, hiking, hunting, or camping, these versatile socks offer warmth, comfort, and durability for any winter adventure. Number 5. Casio G-Shock GW 9400. G-Shock is trusted by adventurers and survivalists worldwide, and the Rangeman GW 9400 proves why. Built tough for extreme conditions, it features multiple sensors like a compass, thermometer, and depth sensor to deliver accurate data when it matters most. Its scratch-resistant crystal dial and rugged strap ensure durability and comfort. It's ready for any survival challenge. Number 4. Surviveware First Aid Kit. Surviveware is known for creating reliable first aid kits built for outdoor survivalists, trusted by adventurers across the globe. The small first aid kit packs 100 essential, life-saving items into a compact and durable 600D polyester bag. Fully waterproof and equipped with secure laminate baggies, it keeps supplies dry, even in marine environments. FDA approved and rigorously tested, this kit ensures safety, organization, and confidence in tackling any survival situation, whether on land or water. Number 3. Bergman's Backpack. This backpack is built tough and roomy, giving you 55 liters of space to store all your winter survival gear. It has several compartments and pockets to keep everything organized and safe. Made from strong ripstop nylon with an aluminum frame, it can handle harsh weather. Padded straps and a waist belt make it easier to carry heavy loads, while side pockets, ski holders, and hydration compatibility add more convenience. Number 2. Morakniv Companion Fixed Blade Knife. This survival knife is built for tough outdoor use, especially in winter. It has a 3.9-inch stainless steel blade that stays sharp longer, resists rust, and works well for carving, cutting tinder, or building shelter. The handle is non-slip for a secure grip, and it includes a fire starter for emergencies. A durable sheath with a clip makes it easy to carry, making it reliable for bushcraft, scouting, and survival situations. Number 1. Rhino USA Survival Shovel. This survival shovel packs a fire starter, whistle, bottle opener, saw, hoe, fish scaler, and more into one handy survival tool. Made from strong carbon steel with a powder-coated finish, it's built to last and resist rust. Fully extended, it reaches 31 inches, but collapses to just 7 inches for easy carrying in its case. Weighing only 2.3 pounds, it's portable, reliable, and backed by a lifetime replacement guarantee. And that wraps up our list of 30 unbelievable winter camping survival gadgets. Each one is designed to make your cold weather adventures safer, easier, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Which gadget impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to check out any of these items yourself, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, stay prepared, and I'll catch you in the next one.